The 1970 Dodge Charger parked in a driveway, its glossy black paint shimmering. A man in his early 40s steps out of the house holding a coffee mug, his eyes fixed on the car. He pauses, taking in every curve and detail as if seeing it for the first time. The scene shifts to a flashback in sepia tones. A younger version of the man works on the same Charger in a cluttered garage. Tools are scattered, and a radio plays faintly in the background. His father stands nearby, watching with a proud smile. "This car isn't just a machine," the father says, "it's a part of you. Keep it alive, and it'll keep you alive." Back in the present, the man opens the Charger's door, sliding into the driver's seat. He grips the wheel, the leather worn but familiar. With a twist of the key, the engine roars to life, a deep, resonating growl. The car reverses out of the driveway, the sunlight catching its chrome accents. The Charger cruises down a highway, the camera capturing its dominance over the road. From the gleaming front grille to the wide, aggressive stance, every angle highlights its raw power. It tears through empty streets, the tires squealing as the man shifts gears. His face is a blend of focus and sheer exhilaration. The car pulls into a quiet gas station in the middle of nowhere. A young boy stares, awestruck, from a nearby pump. "What kind of car is that?" the boy asks hesitantly. The man kneels, looking the boy in the eye. "A 1970 Dodge Charger," he says, smiling. "Built to last. Built to run." The Charger speeds off, the roar of its engine echoing into the open road. As the sun sets, its silhouette dominates the horizon, leaving behind a trail of dust and the memory of a timeless classic. The screen fades to black. The Charger powers down an open desert highway, the golden-orange hues of the sunset reflecting off its sleek black paint. The camera shifts to the rear view, capturing the raw intensity of the car's dual exhausts roaring with every shift of the gears. Inside, the man grips the steering wheel, a subtle grin spreading across his face as the speedometer needle inches higher. The sound of the engine drowns out everything, creating a rhythm that syncs with his heartbeat. The Charger swerves gracefully onto a winding mountain road, its tires hugging the curves with precision. A drone shot captures the car from above, highlighting the contrast between the dark muscle car and the vibrant green landscape. The wind rushes through the open windows as the man adjusts the radio, the faint sound of classic rock blending with the growl of the engine. In a small roadside diner parking lot, the Charger pulls in with a low rumble, turning heads as it slows to a stop. The man steps out, dusting off his jeans. A small group of strangers approaches, admiration in their eyes. One of them, an elderly man with a knowing smile, says, "Haven't seen one of these in years." "She's a beauty." The man nods, replying, "She's been with me a long time." Built to last. Night falls as the Charger tears through an empty stretch of road under a starlit sky. The headlights cut through the darkness, illuminating the road ahead. The camera pans inside the car, focusing on the man's expression, calm, determined, free. He pushes the pedal down further, and the car responds like a beast unleashed, the roar of the engine echoing in the vast emptiness. The Charger finally pulls into a secluded spot overlooking the city lights below. The man steps out, leaning against the hood as he takes in the view. He pulls out a photo from his pocket, his younger self with his father, both standing proudly next to the Charger. He smiles softly, tucking the photo back. The camera slowly pans around the car, showcasing its timeless design against the backdrop of a glittering city. As the man gets back in and the engine fires up once more, the Charger roars into the night, leaving only the echo of its power and a trail of memories in its wake. The screen fades to black. Take care you and subscribe my YouTube channel.